Start of cardio home exercises for men over 50. The first exercise is the jump squat. This you have to do for 30 seconds. Excellent for leg muscles, glutes and entire core. If you cannot jump too high, you can just jump slowly and do for 30 seconds. The next is the reverse plank thrust. This again you have to do for 30 seconds, and this works for glutes, lower back, hamstring along with the entire core area. Just you have to lift your butts up, and before it touches the floor again you have to lift it. You have to make sure that your glutes or hips do not touch the floor. Do it for 30 seconds. Continuously you have to do for 30 seconds all the exercises in this cardio. These are basically cardio exercises, so you have to continuously do it for 30 seconds every exercise. And between every exercise you can take 30 seconds rest, because this is an for the age people of in the group 50 years and above, and who are also the beginners. Very smoothly do it. As you go up, you should exhale through your mouth. Inhale, go down and exhale through your mouth when you go up. Now next is the butt kick. You have to either you can do it in the standing way or you can jog. There are two ways, but initially I will prefer that you do in the standing way, that is the walking way. So it is also not bad. It will also give you the more or less the same benefits. But as you progress, you can increase it. You can increase it. This also for 30 seconds. This is for increases the heart rate, body and muscle temperature is enhanced to increase its contraction and stretching, and also this is for the whole leg area. Now the last one, again you have to go to the floor, and this is the ear brake crunch for the abs. 30 seconds you have to do. These are for the upper, middle and lower abs. You have to make sure your head and shoulder is above the floor, is not touching the floor, so that contraction is maintained in your abs. All this exercise, if you see, once you are doing by standing, then again you are coming down on the floor, again standing, again coming down. This is just to increase the intensity. Again for 30 seconds, after every exercise, take 30-second rest. Then these exercises are for 30 seconds, and then this is the first circuit. When you complete these 4 exercises, you completed one circuit. Then take 30 seconds break and do the second circuit similar way. And those who are into the exercise routine can immediately, after completing the first circuit, can immediately jump into the second circuit. Excellent cardio exercises. These are very short time. It will take 8 to 10 minutes of your time, but they are very effective